Okay, today, last time, we added a button here. Let me start the game up. Hitting P, clicked here, and we added this level credit button, so you can see the credits for the level. Gotham, little picture of a walrus here, which, if I didn't mention, is one of our concepts for the bad guys on this level rather than a penguin. And if you get the joke, he's a walrus, which is an enemy of penguins, but he's dressed up as the penguin from Batman. It's kind of supposed to be funny. Okay. And they will be the bad guys at some point, at least for this level. And we're calling it Gotham. And here are the credits. I made level. Here are the guys who do the artwork. Click it again, it goes away. And we'll hit Q to exit out of that. And at this point, what we need to do, menu, is we forgot to add an animation for that button. Like these other ones, when you hover over them, they move. We need to do that for this button as well. So Q to get out of that, and I'm just going to go up 10 frames. I don't want to go up 10 frames because that's in front of that. I'll just click on this here, and what I'll do is, actually it's kind of larger than the other buttons now, so what I'll do is I'll say up 10 frames. Let's just change this to my outliner. And we will hide this momentarily. There we go. What I'm going to do is I will scale it up just a little bit. And on frame 11, I will hit I and hit scaling keyframe. I'll go down to frame 1 and I will scale it down. So, and hit a keyframe. And then in the logic editor here, with it selected, let's minimize some of these things. We're going to say we already have a mouse over, so we shouldn't have to add another one. We'll say and connect the mouse over here. We'll say add action ping pong or flipper. It's one of the two. We'll find out here in a second. Connect those two. Choose the level credit button, the object that it is, and we'll say from frame 1 to frame 11. And let's see what happens now. We'll start the game up. Click here. Yes, we must want flipper instead of ping pong because it's not zooming back out when I go away from it like these ones do. Okay, so we will change this to flipper. P. Click here. Looks good to me. And if we click that, oh good. I wasn't sure if I had this hidden while I'm editing, if it will be there when the game starts up and it does become visible. So that's good. I can leave that hidden for now unless I need to edit it later. Now, also another thing we need to do, besides fix that little menu glitch, is we added some art. We added the level, button level, and the menu, which are both external artworks. And what we can do here is we'll just say external data package into blend file so that all our images and stuff are packaged. It makes the blend file larger, but makes it more portable, which, like I said in the past, this game is going to try to be modular. So we're moving along here. This is version 0.4.0. So 40 tutorials so far, not counting ones that aren't directly related with the development, like we did the runtime one. It wasn't a version of the game. So moving along, and not much more besides fixing a few little glitches to getting the level part complete, and then we need to start working on like a main menu, maybe an intro video, which is something I've been going back and forth last week in my head on how I'm going to do. Am I going to have a video that is played through an external player, like mPlayer, and just make that a package, because I can package mPlayer with the game, or have it be a dependency in a deb file for distribution? Or do I want to have some sort of animation just created in Blender in the game engine, which will make the file a lot smaller if I do it that way, but it won't be as visual in some ways, although it could, depending on what I'm doing. Also, the issue I'm having with the audio, with the longer sound files, like when the level's complete, that's a glitch a known glitch. It's been around for a while and only affects some sound cards, is affecting mine. But I'd like to make it so that it doesn't affect everybody. Used to be able to use Pygame to fix that, but since I think Blender 2.60, which is what we're creating this game in, uses Blender 3, not all the Pygame modules are available. So I don't think I want to use that just yet. So I'm trying to decide what I'm going to do about that and music in the background. So these are things that I'm been contemplating and trying to figure out what's the best route to go. So, but we'll figure it out. And I thank you for watching. I hope that you have a great day, and thank you for your support. And check out filmsbykris.com. That's Kris with a K, and filmsbykris.com /POP for more on this game. Have a great day.